Welcome guys. So if you are thinking that today we are going to discuss about hostel, yes definitely we are going to discuss about hostel. If you are excited to come in VIT hostel, so see the full video, and if you are really excited to join VIT Bhopal, or if you are excited to come in the VIT hostel, go in the comment section and comment excited to join or to have a family in hostel. So let's come in hostel infrastructure. So let me tell you guys, this is a very big campus. You can see it's a very big campus, and it is now in present day it is having one boys hostel and one girls hostel, and another boys hostel is under construction. You can the most interesting thing, Wi-Fi. Yes, let me tell you, the Wi-Fi is really enabled, and the service is not too bad, but not too good also. You will not got this highly high bandwidth like 5 6 Mbps, not like that. But yes, you will get a bandwidth of 1 MB, 1.5 MB, etc. So you can see, like I have here, you are having both AC and non-AC room. So you can select any one of this according to your, and you are having preferences also, like you are having 6 bedded room, single room, also 5 bedded room, 4 bedded room, 3 bedded room. There is also one now recently started, that is 4 bedded premium one. Means in 4 bedded, what happened? Now 4 bedded we were having beds above our bunk. It's type of bunker, like we are having the beds above, and we used to study below. But in now what happened? In premium one, what happened? The beds are in a lower state, like normal single type beds. So let's come to fooding and dining. I don't have any idea about this because yet I haven't tasted food in VIT. So when I will go, I will definitely make a video on this, that what how is the fooding facility there. So you can see the canteens timing. Yes, there is a canteen. Let me tell you, there is a canteen or a cafeteria, you can say, and the food is really affordable. So what happened, guys? I have seen VIT Vellore one senior's video. So he told me that the food which the VIT Vellore was taking charge, means not the VIT Vellore official one, but the cafeteria one, was too high. But definitely in VIT Bhopal, it's not that. It's a affordable food, or not too high. But yes, you are having many desserts, tasty one. So the most interesting for both boys and girls is gym. Yes, in the means the building which is developing newly, that will be developed in 2020-21, that will be for us. So that is totally enabled with gym facility. So you can take gym, means you are having that access. You are having machineries, treadmills, cycling features, and everything like that. So come to the security area. This is not related to student, but this is related to parents. So parents, if you are watching this video, then one thing from my side, you are you are assured that you are handing your child or ward to a safest place in India, because it is having 24 into 7 CCTV observation. Also we are having guards, means special guards, or that is called special commando for us. And we are also having our wardens, chief wardens, and also there are many processes. So security is high level. It's a top feature. Means everything is undercover here. Yes, you are having hospital. Definitely hospital facilities like that. You will be getting a ambulance service 24 into 7, and also there will be means no, doctor and medical person will be available 24 into 7 in the both boys hostel and in the girls hostel. So in boys hostel there will be a male person, and in a girls hostel there will be a female. So if you actually feel sick, or do means if you actually feel sick, you can go to that person, and if that's emergency case, then they will take you in the ambulance and they will go to a nearby hospital. Second of all, what is the main thing in hospital? Like if you are having cough and cold, so they will be isolating you, because if it might harm your roommate. So yes, let's come to the event, the most interesting part. But the most interesting and the saddest part, this features is only available for VIT hostelers. Means if you are taking hostel, then these features will be available to you. We are having DJ nights, cultural and sport competition event. There is many thing, many, and let me tell you, this DJ nights is very famous in VIT. If you come to VIT Hall, I don't want means I won't tell it by my mouth. If you come, you will see it and you can express your view. So definitely there are many program, there are many club, and also the main most interesting thing, that is the religion. Means if you are coming from Himachal, or if you are coming from Jammu Kashmir, if you are coming from Punjab or any part of the India, you can see a various culture is residing here. So every from student are coming from every and each part of the India, and also from outside also some student are coming. So definitely the most important thing, swimming pool. Well, अभी swimming pool नहीं है, and it is under construction for new building. So swimming pool will be soon available for the people, but in 2020-21 and in the new building. And other amenities, yes, ATM is available in the campus. So for taking means for withdrawing your money, you don't have to go outside the campus. It's already inside. You're also having yes, they told us that they are also having a means post office service so inside the campus, so you can post anything. Means if your parents want to send you something, so they can directly post to VIT post office. So and you will be getting it. You are also having laundry service. Laundry service is available to the student on demand. Also saloon service. So everything is available inside the campus. So if you are actually want to go outside for a week, not a, for a weekend, but for like outings for 2 to 3 hours, so you can go. But it is having a lot of process. So I will definitely come to that. So this was the totally features, and definitely we will be coming with more features in our next video. So now let's have a photo session. So who haven't who haven't joined, means who haven't followed our Instagram page, that VIT page, so go and follow us on Instagram, because we will be updating you here only with our new video or with our new features in VIT Bhopal. So this is the thing. This is the campus. Some of the photo we have collected. You can see it. Yeah, I am telling about this building. These are under construction, and these are the new buildings also. This is the girls hostel. You can see the yes, in VIT. What's the major thing now? Classroom has been divided into two types. One is lab access classroom, and another is called the normal classroom. Normal classroom is both are digital one, but one is lab access and another is in, yeah, this one. You can see it's like a long table and chair, and there is a digital platform. So the teacher will be teaching here. It's damn beautiful. And the environment means if you wanted to ask any question, you can definitely ask. Nothing like you are facing problem. I have mentioned in the previous video, if you wanted to ask any question directly or indirectly to the sir, you can ask directly in the class. Or if you are actually in shy in nature, so ask your property to talk with the sir, or you can may directly talk with the faculty member, and you can solve your problem. So I was telling about this. This orange one is the court, food court, and really it's yum. It's very good. The taste of this food court is really very good. Told by the senior, not me. So guys joined us, and also let me tell you. Okay, this was the thing. So if you can see, VIT also conduct many events. So this one is the International Conference of Communication event conducted by VIT Bhopal. You can see there are many speakers coming from abroad also. Microsoft will be also joining us. So you can take part, but only for VIT members. None of the members can't take part. So I will be signing off from this video. Hope you liked it. And the boys or the girls or the newcomers who will be coming to VIT, if you are excited, go in the comment section and press comment, hit the subscribe button, and also like it. Thank you.